when luxury was defined by length, chrome, and commanding presence. The 198-01984 Lincoln Town Car stood tall as an icon of American opulence on wheels. Introduced officially as a standalone model in 1981, the Lincoln Town Car carried on a name that had already been revered in earlier years, but it now symbolized Ford's definitive answer to Cadillac's dominance in full-size luxury sedans. Built on the Panther platform, the Town Car marked a turning point in design philosophy, downsizing from its massive 1970s predecessor while maintaining its traditional square-shouldered elegance. It was nearly 220 inches long, featured a formal roof, massive chrome bumpers, a vinyl landau top. This was a car that didn't whisper status. It declared it. Under the hood, the 198-01984 Lincoln Town Car came standard with a 5.0 302 cubic inch Windsor V8 engine, producing about 130 horsepower and paired with a 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission. Earlier 1980 models also had an optional 5.8 351 cubic inch V8, although this was soon dropped due to tightening emissions regulations and the oil crisis era's push for better fuel economy. Performance was not brisk, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times typically above 13 seconds. But the Town Car was never about speed, it was about cruising in silence, on a cushion of air, thanks to its soft suspension tuning and sound-deadening construction. Rear-wheel drive and body-on-frame construction made it both durable and smooth, ideal for the chauffeur-driven market and retirees alike. When stacked against competitors like the Cadillac Fleetwood Broom, Chrysler New Yorker, or even the Mercedes-Benz W126, the Lincoln Town Car held its own through sheer traditional charm and American road presence. While Mercedes brought precision and Cadillac embraced Baroque flash, the Town Car balanced dignity and accessibility. Its interior featured plush velour or leather seating, thick carpeting, wood grain trim, and increasingly modern touches like digital dashboards and keyless entry in later years. It may not have been the most technologically advanced, but it was quintessentially comfortable, almost presidential in its demeanor. In American automotive history, the 1980 to 1984 Lincoln Town Car represents the final stand of traditional body and frame luxury sedans before front-wheel doctor and European influences began to take over the luxury segment. It was the car of politicians, CEOs, and limousine fleets, defining a generation's idea of luxury transportation. Its success helped cement the Town Car name as a cornerstone of Lincoln's brand identity well into the 2000s. Looking ahead, the vintage appeal of the early 80s Lincoln Town Car is gaining ground among collectors and retro car enthusiasts as electrification redefines automotive luxury. Models like this serve as cultural time capsules, reminders of an era when prestige meant size, chrome, and a ride so smooth you'd swear the road was paved in velvet.